Hey all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'll give you an introduction to my creative writing workshop. Why I'm making this video, just to let you know that what will be the contents of this workshop and how we shall proceed. So let's have a quick look at this. You can see they all are rainbows, but they all are different. Creative writing is simply like this. We write the same ideas, but with our own thought, we just make them a little different. But this is not that simple for kids or even for us to write something creatively. For that, we need to be prepared and we need to learn how to present our ideas and what are the proper steps to be followed if you are writing a piece of text. So, in this workshop, you shall learn all of this. The system that we shall be following is VCOP. This is a proper systematic approach to teach creative writing to kids. What does it stand for? VCOP means vocabulary, connectives, openers, and punctuations. We will discuss about these things in detail in the course, just to give you an idea that if you are teaching vocabulary to kids, it's not as if you are feeding something in their brain. We need to give them some uh, games or activities to help them absorb the vocabulary that we want to give them. So, in this workshop, you will learn how to teach vocabulary in a multisensory way to your kiddos. The second thing is connectors. Connectors are words or phrases that connect ideas, and we need connectors for smooth transitions. If connectors are missing from any piece of writing, the writing doesn't look decent. So we need to teach connectors to our children, and in this course, you will learn how to teach connectors to kids. The next thing, we see O for openers. Here you have these three animations. A simple book opening, a book is opening but it has pictures, and then we have a proper animation with a fish coming out of water. So which one is the most eye-catching? Most probably the third one, this one. So this is how we need to hook our readers. We need to use sentences or open our sentences in a creative way so we can hook the reader. So we shall also learn that what are openers and how we can hook the reader with better sentences and better sentence opening. The last thing is punctuation, last but not the least. Punctuations are extremely important to write a rational sentence. So, how to use punctuation, what are the different stages for punctuations, everything is included in this course. Now, along with VCOP, I'll also take you through the different types of writing. For example, persuasive writing, it is one of the types of writing that I'll be teaching in this course. I'll first let you know that what is it, why do we do this, how do we do this, and for who do we do this. So first of all, you will learn the theory about each and every type of writing, and then what are the steps that you need to follow in your class. What does it mean by brainstorming? Once you are done with brainstorming, the next thing is planning. What are the steps of planning? How you need to proceed with your kids in your class. So each and everything will be explained. Each and every step will be explained. Writing an introduction. In writing an introduction, you also have three parts. You need to know what are those parts, what should an introduction have. The next step after writing the introduction is writing the body paragraph, or you can say the draft, and then you will move on to closing. Again, the closing also has some parts, so you will learn what are the different parts and how you can write them properly. The writing doesn't end there. You need to revise, edit, and then publish your writing. And this is how we shall be doing with each and every type of writing. There are so many things that I will be teaching you in this course. So if you are interested in joining my workshop, please leave a comment in the comment box or simply message me on my FB Messenger. The table of contents is right here. You can see these are the things that I'll be teaching you. The classes will be on Zoom, so you can ask me live questions. I'll be sitting in front of you and giving you the answers and explanation for each and everything that I'll be teaching. So hurry up if you want to learn something new, if you want to progress in your teaching career, and if you're a parent and want to help your kids at home, this is a best chance. I'm sure that you will not regret once you get enrolled in the course. So please just ping me as early as possible and I'll be enrolling you in this course. To connect with me, just check the description box. My email address, my FB Messenger, my Insta, everything is there. You can directly message me and get enrolled in the creative writing workshop. Have a nice day ahead. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.